Hey, what is up? Today the PRISM Plus Oasis.
I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Oasis, the definition of something that provides refuge, relief, or pleasant contrast. And it's probably the same reason why PRISM Plus decided to name its fan after the term. Well, there's only one way to find out if it really lives up to its name. Diving straight into the design, the Oasis features a modern and customizable design aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any home interior style. Whether it may be a minimalist, Scandinavian, or rustic theme, the Oasis starts off with a cylindrical base where the wiring and brushless DC motor is housed in. 4 screws at every corner ensures that the main module is firmly held in at the base that will be drilled into the ceiling. A monotone branding can be found etched on one portion of the metal housing, where it's hardly visible even when the fan is not on. Now the Oasis houses 3 premium ABS blades that are lightweight and slightly curved at the edges to ensure better airflow. Because the DC motor is brushless and the blades are aerodynamic, the overall noise emitted is close to none when used at lower fan speeds of level 1 to level 3. Above fan speed 4, the noise emitted increases slightly, but nothing too loud if you are using it around TV sounds, natural ambience, and even an AC unit. If anything, the noise is pretty satisfying to listen to, as you can tell that the blades are hard at work, cutting through the air to bring the wind to you. In terms of fan operational performance, the Oasis outputs a decently strong yet consistent wind to keep any room it is placed in cool throughout the day. I was able to feel a strong breeze when seated directly under the fan blades from fan speeds level 4 and above. Once it reaches its maximum level 6 speed, the wind doesn't flow directly under the blades but also spreads across to further parts of the room. At fan speeds level 1 to 3, you can hardly feel anything, and the fan acts more like an air circulation, which in turn could be quite good to use when paired with an air conditioner and set to reverse mode. These settings can be easily changed via the included remote control, where there is a number indicator in the wheel and the modes to change from forward to reverse. Through the remote, you can set a basic timer from 3 options of 1 hour, 4 hours, and 8 hours. Now, Oasis Smart version users can further unlock more possibilities for customization through the PRISM Plus Connect app, available for download on the App and Play Store. In the app, you will first have to create a PRISM Plus account with your phone number. Thereafter, you may add your new fan by resetting the Oasis with a long press on the 8-hour timer button on the remote control for 5 seconds to put it in pairing mode. You can then link up both your device and the fan and eventually control it when it's connected via the same home Wi-Fi network. Diving into the app interface, the Oasis is shown in a small clickable tab where you can first see the fan speed dial. Directly below, there are 3 modes of normal, natural, and sleep that are listed for you to switch. Towards the right, you can switch from the forward and reverse modes, set a timer, or create a routine where the fan and light will turn on at a specific time, etc. Knowing that one style cannot fit all, PRISM Plus has decided to bring all 3 colors of housings and 5 styles of blades to create a total of 15 different configurations available to suit your needs. The 3 housing colors include matte white, matte black, and rose gold, while the blades have colors like matte white, matte black, light wood, dark wood, and ash wood. Of all the combinations, I opt for a full matte white version so as to let the fan blend into my modern home interior the best. However, some of these configurations that I found work well include the matte white housing with ash wood blades, the matte black housing with dark wood blades, and the rose gold housing with dark wood blades. The blade lengths come in 2 sizes of 46 inches and 52 inches. And now many will be wondering if a longer or shorter blade is better. Does it output more air? Well, you can say so. However, both variants of sizes output a similar 220 m3 per minute of airflow, with the 46-inch version spinning at 100 to 220 rotations per minute and 100 to 200 rotations per minute for the 52-inch to keep up with the shape. However, in both versions, the fan wattage is rated from 7 watts to 34 watts. Moving on to fan modes, you can choose from a range of level 1 to level 6 speeds and use 3 of the pre-made modes such as reverse, natural, or sleep. The reverse mode particularly stands out to me as a first, since I have never seen this feature within the smart fan market. Basically what it does is some of us will use the Oasis alongside an air conditioner to ensure that the airflow is consistent. However, conventional forward modes is known to take air from the area near the top and push it downwards towards you. When used in an air-conditioned room, this may result in drawing hot air back downwards towards you and defeats its purpose of cooling. Hence, by introducing reverse modes, the blades move anti-clockwise and draws the denser cold air from the lower portions of the room upwards to circulate and complement the faster cooling of the room. Next, natural mode and sleep modes are only available to users of the smart version of the fan. With natural mode, the Oasis does a varying slow to fast setting every 20 seconds to create a natural breeze. Meanwhile, sleep mode gradually slows the fan down for a quieter and more peaceful night rest. Moving on to lighting performance, the Oasis Smart version features a 20-watt Austrian multicolored white LED lamp that can change in both brightness and in color temperatures ranging from 22,000 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin. Using the remote control, you can switch the lights on and off with the top two buttons, cycle through the brightness with long pressing the bottom left button, as well as cycle through the three basic different color light settings, from cool, 50% mix of both, and warm light with the bottom right button. Alternatively, since it's a smart home ready device, you can also use the compatible app to unlock more control over your device. And in the app, you can find a lighting setting at the bottom page where the fan speeds and modes are found. A straightforward interface where on and off button is there alongside a brightness bar that runs from 2% to 100% and the Kelvin meter bar that ranges from warm light all the way to cool light, where you can take customization to the fullest. As with any smart home product these days, the Oasis can offer insights to show you your average daily usage in a weekly, monthly and yearly cycle. An average user won't find much use for this information. However, those looking to track your usage for eco-friendliness or simply for electrical billing purposes will see it as a good to have option. In the settings tab, there is a choice of geofencing that tracks your phone's location proximity to the room and triggers the fan to be turned on just before you reach home to cool down the room. Next, the Oasis can also be controlled via Google Assistant, where you can link up the device and have it added to a room, so you can use your voice to turn on the fan and lighting or use both separately, as well as adjust the brightness and color of the light with ease. Hey you, new to our channel, remember to hit the like button if you find this video helpful and share with someone who may need it. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new video reviews. Thank you for your support. Now back to our review. Initial installation cost is included in your purchase, and an in-house technician will arrive at your house to install the fan when your order is ready. The total installation time took 30 minutes or so, and as the fan was being installed, I took notice that there is an additional safety mechanism that was in place to make sure that should all 4 screws were to come loose, the fan is still held on by an internal safety mechanism for ultimate assurance. Warranty-wise, we are looking at a lifelong warranty for the motor, 5 years warranty for parts like the blades and more, and 6 years warranty for the LED kit itself. Labor and transport costs will be included for the first year from the installation date onwards. Therefore, users can be promised a peace of mind should they face any issues in the near future, as the warranty can easily outlast how long the technology progresses in the next decade. In all, the PRISM Plus Oasis is a simple and hassle-free smart ceiling fan that acts as a great addition to any smart home. With a strong airflow output, multi-color configurable design, customizable lighting colors and brightness, and various fan modes and timers, the Oasis is ready to take on the competition in the niche market where smart ceiling fans of this capability are rare. Thank you for watching, and please check out our written review over at daradiser.com/PRISM+Oasis. Also, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more.